Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best epoxy resin polishing kit is probably one of the most sought-after tools for crafting enthusiasts and DIYers who want to achieve a professional-looking finish on their epoxy resin projects. This kit offers everything you need to transform your resin creations from dull and lackluster to brilliantly shiny and smooth, taking your resin work to the next level with ease and precision, and making the process more efficient and enjoyable. Number 5. Sakolla Resin Casting Tool Set. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to create stunning resin jewelry. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. From earrings and pendants to keyrings and decorations, it lets you make unique gifts for any occasion. The possibilities are endless. You'll receive scissors, files, sandpaper sheets in various grits, polishing blocks, and a polishing cloth, everything for a professional finish. The sandpaper smoothly removes scratches, while the files and scissors help shape your creations. Polishing blocks and cloth give your pieces a brilliant shine. It's designed for easy use, helping you create beautiful, glossy resin crafts with minimal effort. Watch your ideas come to life. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, contact us, and we'll be happy to assist you. What we like. This kit has everything you need to polish your resin creations, from sanding to polishing. It's designed for ease of use, making it perfect for beginners. If you're on a budget but want a comprehensive set, this is the one for you. What people say. Everything you need to make finishing your resin projects nice. Would recommend pairing it with polishing paste or cream for excellent results. Good sturdy files. Lots of sandpaper grits. Good soft files and a microfiber cloth. This is a good price for what all comes with it. I normally would get all the sandpaper it came with for like $30 or more. It came with quite a few pieces and all is helpful. I use it for my resin to even things out and it works very well. Number 4. Let's Resin Polishing Kit. Get ready to unveil a comprehensive 33-piece resin polishing kit, designed to elevate your crafting experience. It's got everything you need for sanding and polishing, all in one convenient set. This kit features 5 uniquely shaped files, flat, semicircle, triangle, square, and round, allowing you to shape your resin creations with precision and ease. They help you reach every angle for perfect shaping. Achieve a flawless finish with our 14 sheets of high-quality sandpaper, ranging from 320 hashtag to 7000 hashtag. These durable, anti-static sheets are perfect for smoothing and polishing your resin crafts. This kit isn't just about sanding. It includes polishing strips and blocks, a polishing cloth, and brushes to help you achieve a truly professional-looking shine. It's everything you need for a perfect polish. Your safety is important. That's why the kit includes gloves to protect your hands while you work. Craft with confidence and keep your hands clean. From jewelry to pendants, keychains to ornaments, this kit unlocks a world of creative possibilities. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, it's perfect for all your resin projects. What we like. This kit boasts a wide array of tools in different shapes to help you tackle any resin project. Safety is prioritized with included gloves. If you need versatility and peace of mind, this kit is your best bet. What people say. Has just the right tools I needed to sand my epoxy resin art pieces that came out of molds. All of it works great and decent quality. It's small and easy. Number 3. Stone Coat Polishing Kit. Say goodbye to those pesky micro scratches. It easily removes imperfections, leaving your surfaces looking flawless. Bring back the sparkle. It restores shine to your epoxy surfaces, making them look brand new. Keep your epoxy surfaces looking their best. It's perfect for maintaining countertops, tables, and more after sanding. This kit includes everything you need, a polishing compound and a liquid smooth cleaner. It's ideal for epoxy resin, car detailing, and more. Smooth out those imperfections. It effortlessly removes scratches, stains, and blemishes from your epoxy projects. Achieve a stunning, crystal clear shine. It adds the perfect finishing touch to any project, leaving a glossy finish. Make old surfaces look new again. It's great for renewing epoxy resin projects and even works as a paint and glue remover. It's safe for surfaces with direct and indirect food contact. You can use it with confidence on various surfaces, including wood. What we like? Achieve a flawless, crystal clear finish on your epoxy projects with this polishing kit. It effectively removes scratches and blemishes. If a pristine, food-safe surface is your goal, choose this option. What people say. Works very well and the best to use to clean and care for epoxy walls, countertops on all brands of epoxy. The polishing compound did seem to get a shinier finish than I have been able to achieve with other products. I've used other compounds on my resin projects after wet sanding to 3000 grit. This polish takes it to the next level of finish. Number 2. Epoxy Polishing Kit. This kit is your secret weapon for achieving a flawless, high-gloss finish on your epoxy projects. It's perfect for countertops, tables, and more. Say goodbye to scratches and imperfections. It smooths out any surface, leaving behind a mirror-like shine. This professional kit makes achieving a high-gloss finish easy. Transform your epoxy projects with ease. It's designed to work on a variety of surfaces, including epoxy, marble, glass, metal, stone, ceramic, and wood. It's incredibly versatile. The kit comes with 50 g of polishing compound and 100 milliliters of liquid smooth cleaner. Everything you need is right here. It's completely odorless and free of harmful volatiles, ensuring a safe and pleasant polishing experience. What we like? This kit delivers a professional level, high-gloss finish with minimal effort. It's simple to use, yet yields exceptional results. If you want a mirror-like shine without the hassle, this is it. What people say. I got a new tile, but put the wrong liquid to clean one tile and the result was a dull tile. Try Monty product but no avail. But this one worked amazing, gloss again like brand new. I picked this kit up to put more of a better finish on 3D printed resin projects. It seems to really do the trick. I've applied it to rings and figures so far, and been pleased with the results. Simple and easy to use. Number 1. Stone Coat Sanding Discs. This pack contains 9 sanding discs in various grits, perfect for achieving a flawless finish on your project. It's the ideal solution for polishing and removing imperfections from various surfaces. Get the perfect finishing touch on your DIY project with this versatile assortment. They're great for polishing and buffing out scratches and blemishes. These sanding discs are made from a flexible material that allows water and air to pass through, making them suitable for both dry and wet sanding. They even work great with epoxy resin. The screen-like material prevents clogging, ensuring smooth sanding. Their flexible design allows you to easily sand edges and hard-to-reach areas. Each 5x6 disc features a hook and loop design for easy attachment and removal from your 5-inch random orbital sander. It's quick and convenient. What we like? This assortment of sanding discs offers a wide range of grits for achieving the perfect polish. The design prevents clogging, ensuring efficient sanding. If you value efficiency and a wide selection of grits, this is your ideal choice. What people say. Uses easily, cleaning is very easy, and works great. These worked amazingly on epoxy. Only has one of each grit, but that was enough to do about 70 SF without tearing. I used a vacuum to periodically clean the dust out of them. I followed a tutorial for best way to polish epoxy and this set of 5-inch sanding discs were recommended, and they were right. I will continue to purchase this product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.